Look at this. You literally think that these rocks are placed here by someone, but then they are just naturally placed by God, I guess. Yeah. No one placed them on top of each other. No, they're just naturally. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you already saw, my previous video was about the quiver tree forest, and once you pay for the quiver tree forest, you are then allowed to go see the giants playground. So it's almost like you paying for one item, but you are granted the opportunity to see two. Okay, so this is what they call giants playground, where the rocks naturally are put or are naturally just on top of each other. It's not human beings that have put them on, but then it's just God's creation, I guess. Yeah, and it's very beautiful. As you can see, these rocks are on top of each other, as if someone has placed them on there, but no one has placed them on there. It's just nature, and it's beautiful. Guys, it's a bit sunny, so ooh, yeah, I don't know whether you guys can see the rocks, but they're so beautiful, guys. Like all those rocks, most of them are on top of each other, and yeah. The wonderful thing about the Giants Playground is that there is a starting point, or there's a trail that you guys will have to follow. And then there's also a finish point. So meaning you'll start at a certain point. I think you guys saw when I introduced this video where Miss Ndemu was standing and there was a little board. So that's the start point where the cars are, that side. And then you guys will have to work. I don't know whether it's 30 minutes or so, and then you come to the finish line. Actually, you working amongst in between the rocks and all that, and it's really it's interesting, and it's very nice, and it's so quiet, and it's just amazing. At the end of the day, we then went back to the quiver tree forest, and just to actually watch the sunset, which was pretty nice, as you can see. And then later had some pizza and call it a night. So yeah,